Hi, and welcome to our last full week of virtual learning. Next week we are off for Memorial Day, so this is our last full week. So there are a few things that are different to hopefully make it a little bit easier and give them breaks, because if my students are anything like my son, I know they are ready to have way more breaks throughout their day. So on Monday, as I've mentioned before, I will have no live lessons. I will be at JBE finishing closing out our classroom. I got most of it done Friday, but I will still be there on Monday. Check your email for a schedule on when to come get your child's things. Tuesday and Thursday are live reading reviews and math reviews. We will be playing a fun review game to review everything we've learned this year. Wednesday, I will want to meet with everyone because we are having a virtual award ceremony for some fun animal-themed awards connecting to their hard work and sharing our teddy bear for Teddy Bear Day. And Friday I will have a friends live session. I want to meet with the girls at 9:30 and the boys at 10:15. I think they've missed interacting with their little groups. I think this would be a really fun way, especially now that we can see everybody all at once. iReady reading and math are the same, except if you notice, if your child joins me on Tuesday and Thursday as kind of a reward for their hard work, there are no iReady lessons. However, if your child does not join me, those will still be required for that day. Science is, we are focusing on baby animals and their adult counterparts, how they look alike. So Monday they will watch a Peep in the Big Wide World video. Tuesday read the assigned book on baby animals. Wednesday I will be posting a link to a fun animals and their babies game on the science channel. And then Thursday and Friday, whenever you get a chance, have them watch the Art for Kids Hub and draw a puppy and a baby chick. For writing, they will have Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday to work on writing what their favorite thing about first grade was and giving 3 reasons why. And then on Thursday and Friday, they can either choose on the digital notebook to draw a picture to share what their favorite thing was this year about first grade, or draw a picture and share it. Independent reading is the same as last week. Log on to Epic for 3 times a week for 20 minutes. Fun stuff is very similar. With Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday being activities. Please be mindful that these activities are optional. They're just a way to have some fun with your child. And then of course our ABC countdown. R is rock out to music day, listen to some fun music and let them dance it out. S is for sunny day, have them wear their sunglasses to our live lessons. T is for teddy bear day, bring their favorite teddy or stuffed animal to our class meetings. U is for unbirthday day. We're going to celebrate our 4 summer birthdays. Griffin, Vanilla, Aria, Kay, and Cristiano, and myself. And then finally V for video, watch the video that I've created in the ABC Countdown channel. So like I said before, like I say every week, thank you all for your support. There is no way this would have been anywhere near as successful as it has been without your help, and I cannot believe that we are only 9 days away from the last day of school. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them on the parents channel or shoot me a message on ClassTag and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you. Bye.